welcome to my channel. It's Mente Corrector here. So for today I'll be showing you guys how you can make money online in an easy way, okay, without really having to do anything or deposit any money. It's not even a scam, it's just an easy money. Okay, this easy money is in crypto. Okay, as you can see, the crypto is taking over slowly but surely. Okay, so for today all you just need to do is you just need to go to your Chrome, then you're going to search for the Brave browser, right? You just need to go to your Chrome. I'm going to open Chrome there. Okay, that is not necessary, so I'm going to type in Brave browser download. Okay, okay, as you can see, so now I will choose the first option there. Okay, so you get to the browser here. You can see the different options that you can choose from. The first one picks the default system architecture by default. Then you go 64-bit. If you have Linux, you're going to choose Linux. I have Windows 64-bit, so I'm just going to choose 64-bit there. Okay, then you have to wait for the download to get done. Okay, this is not an offline installation file, it's online, so you need to have your internet working for it to install. After it's done, just open the file. Okay, then it connects to the internet, then it starts downloading. Then once it's done downloading, it's going to start the installation process. Okay, you can see it has some kind of Google Chrome feel. I think they kind of imitated it. Even the speed and the interface, it looks Chrome-ish. Okay, you will see at the end there. Okay, so let me just wait until my installation is done. Okay, I think my installation is done there. Okay, so it's gonna open automatically. Okay, so I'm going to close Chrome because I'm not going to need it for now, so I'm just gonna close that one. Okay, maximizing my browser. So you can see that the interface there tells you welcome to browser, so you just click let's go. Then you can import from other browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever, and it can actually pick profiles from those browsers like Google Chrome. So for now I'm not going to choose any profile. I'm just going to choose leave it on import from, then I click next. Okay, is there anything important there? Okay, the good thing about the browser is it keeps you safe online, right? It avoids quite a number of websites that try to track you and paid, right, to watch the ads. That's basically how you're going to get paid, right? You watch the ads and they also advertise some wallpapers, images, then you also be getting paid to do that, to watch that. Okay, so basically here you can see we have the search engine, right, where you have to choose the search engine. So I will just go by Google default, okay, because I just trust Google. DuckDuckGo, it's nice, it keeps you safe also, but I'm just going to choose yeah, Google default. So the rewards there basically okay, like I mentioned earlier on, okay, this is where the whole thing happens, right? This is where the whole thing happens. Okay, this is where you now get paid. Okay, they are called Brave rewards, right? So basically what happens with the Brave rewards is right, they throw ads on you, not for free like what other browsers do, right? They throw ads, then you get paid using cryptocurrency. Okay, so this is how it's going to go, like, right, if they give you an ad to watch, okay, you get paid for that. All right, so basically the more ads you watch, the more money you get. Okay, this is not meant to make you rich overnight, guys. It's just something that you can get. Okay, you don't need to. Everyone uses browser every day. Okay, probably, but just moving away from using browsers for free to using browsers and get something out of it, it's different. Okay, so we're gonna get something out of it, and the good thing is it's cryptocurrency. It can appreciate in value, right, which can even increase the value of your money as well. Okay, so that's basically what we'll be doing here. So all you need is to have the browser. Then I'm going to take you through the whole process. Then after we're done, then you just browse the normal way you do and get paid, basically. But we'll need to set up a wallet, because for the payments to come in, they need a wallet active on your browser, right? And for the wallet, I'm just going to use the Brave wallet. I'm not going to connect my real wallet to this one. Okay, not for safety purposes or anything, but I'm not just going to. Okay, I'm choosing not to. So I'm just going to use the Brave wallet, okay, to store this. And the good thing is you can restore the wallet. Right, those people who are into crypto, I think you understand what I'm talking about, right? And for the new guys, the wallet is just a digital wallet, right, where you can store your digital currency, right? So yeah, that's basically about it. If you want more information about it, just search online, guys. You'll be able to find a whole lot of information there. Okay, so let's so what I'm going to do here, we now need to click on start rewards. Start using rewards. Private ads rewards you with tokens to support content creators, unlike traditional ads, right? Like I was saying. Okay, so basically when it's 10, but when you're doing the setup, you're going to see that they just tell you there is maximum of 5 ads per hour. Okay, which is reasonable, guys. Like when you're browsing, you wouldn't want ads popping up every minute. At least 10. So I'm going to click continue there. When do you receive the rewards? Okay, they pay out on the 5th of every month, right? That's basically what they're saying there. It's just the 5th of every. So here I'm just going to click on continue. So you can see from the interface, you can send a tip there. It's there showing there. Okay, but for here I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, so since the crypto world is kind of evolving, right, more things will be done with this token, guys. So you just need to keep them with you. You never know. Okay, just accumulate some as we go. Okay, so here you just need to do the basic setup. Okay, like I was saying, you can change this later. Okay, and as per hour, maximum is 5 when you're setting up, and the minimum that you want to give out per month. Okay, I'm just going to leave it default to 1 BAT, right? And currently 1 BAT time of recording, it's worth around $1, I think. It's worth $1, so I'm just going to continue there. Okay, woohoo, you're all set. Okay, so it means we are done, right? We are done with the setup. Okay, so now I'm just going to click done there. Okay, so like you see, we need to maximize this out, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ads, right? It's gonna take you here by default, guys. Anyways, so I'm going to go on ads. Okay, as you can see, I have nothing currently, right? And there are 3 ways that you're going to get paid, right? Number 1, you can put your own funds in, right? Number 2, you can earn tokens from viewing ads. Number 3, you can you can get grants, right, from Brave. So those are 3 ways that you can fill up your wallet. Okay, like I mentioned, the next pay date from the date of recording is 6th August, right? And I have nothing so far. Okay, so that's just the interface. Auto contribute, I think I'm going to turn it off because I'm not going to auto contribute. At least I would do it manually, just having control of my stuff. Okay, so let's go and add settings. Then as I said, there you see 5, but if you go and expand there you can see 10, so I'm just going to choose 10. Okay, so that's basically about setting up the browser initially. Token, so you can continue browsing whatever you want to browse, and you can see that 0 BAT and 0 US$ there, but as time goes you'll be getting a few cents probably every day, right? So if you continue using it, you'll be making money. Okay, so let's go and talk about setting up the Brave wallet. So basically from this screen you go to crypto wallets there, then you can see I'm going to create a new local wallet, right? You can connect Ledger or Trezor there depending on what you have, right? If you also have an old wallet, you can click on restore. Okay, so I'm just going to put my 8-character passwords there. Just confirm, make sure they are the same, obviously. Make sure you put a strong password, guys. Okay, now I'm going to click on create. So after you click on create, you can see now we have this secret backup phrase, right? It's logged by default, you cannot view it, right? So I'm just going to pause this video quickly and I'm going to unlock it, then I'll see you after that, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to download this secret backup phrase, right? And I'm just going to throw it on my desktop, then I'll find a better place for it later on. Okay, just for the purpose of recording this video. So now it's done downloading. Pausing this video again, guys. Sorry about that, but I have to. Okay, so what basically happens, guys, is once you're done, right, you're going to copy the phrase, right? Okay, the text file, right? Because the key is downloaded as a text file. So I open my text file, then I'm going to copy the text, right? The phrase that is inside that txt file. Then I'm going to confirm it. You're supposed to confirm it. Then after confirming it, you see the screen that you can see here, guys. Right? Congratulations, you passed the test. Blah 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 blah. So it means now our wallet is set up. All is done. Okay. So we now have our wallet by default. It also has ETH in it, then BAT, right? That's for Ethereum for the new users, guys. So you can see it runs on main Ethereum network. Okay, so I'm done setting up my wallet. So what it means is I'm gonna start earning some BAT tokens there, right, as I browse. So I think, guys, I'm just going to do away with Google Chrome because I don't think. Okay, so that's for today. I think I'll be making quite a number of these videos from now on because I realize I bump into problems and some people might also behave. So please, as always, just click the subscribe and the notification bell so that we can start this crypto journey together and also just explore the tech world, guys. Okay, so it's bye bye for now. See you next video.